Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website gospiralfarms.com. I love that you're very consistent with your product, with your website images, with the colors. Everything is within the same color theme, which is perfect. I love that you're showing the products mm, in the hero image. It would be great to add a little bit like a tagline saying show our cold pressed juices, and then obviously call to action such as shop now button, link into your collections or link into directly to the product. It will help your SEO, sorry, it will help your sales, it will help your conversion rate, because people will be able to click and shop right away. The logo looks great, however, it is very, very tiny. It's difficult to see. It's beautiful because it's the same logo as on your bottles. So it's recognizable for your branding, but make sure that perhaps it's much, much bigger without taking valuable space above the fold. However, make sure that it's optimized so people can see it. It kind of disappears. It kind of disappears in the header area at the moment. But I love the free shipping information in the top banner, which is excellent. Consider renaming products to shop. It's much stronger call to action. It prompts people to act upon this. Product is very neutral, which doesn't really do anything for the conversion rate. Shop is stronger tone of voice, is more direct call to action, which will further improve your conversion rate. Okay, so you tell a little bit more what you're offering. So spirulina based juices and drinks. Okay, and you tell about benefits. So this is important for someone who's not familiar with I'm not sure what's spirulina, if it's plant or something like that. But this is really good because obviously you have to make a little bit of education. Okay, plant-based protein. Okay, this is fantastic. So you tell a little bit more quality image, and obviously this is a green-based product. I understand that spirulina is this plant in the background. Very good quality images, very nicely organized content. I would say those reviews take a little bit too much space. You can add them in one row, and then obviously they can slide to the side to show the rest, but they don't have to. It's just a dead space on the homepage. You can show your products here instead. However, you've got featured product here, which is excellent. So those kind of spirulina cups. Okay, so this is perfect. So you subscribe and save. So this is obviously subscription-based business, which is excellent for if you want to turn it into passive income. This is really, really nice. Plenty of engaging content on the homepage. It is really excellent. Okay. Six juices and spirulina. Okay, so these are different options. Very nice. Plenty of nice options. I would add a little bit more links here so people don't have to scroll, because you've got quite an extensive homepage. Okay. FAQs as well. So you can add a link to your shop, link to your contact us, about us page as well. So people don't have to scroll all the way up to go to your menu, but you've got sticky menu here as well, just disappeared. So think about from user experience, there's a lot of guessing game going on of how to browse your website. So make sure it's a little bit more user friendly, a little bit more optimized. The browsing is smoother. People don't have to it's people don't have to guess what to do next. You just show them where to click, what to do next, how to check out. It will further improve your conversion rate. Your collection page looks really good. I would suggest optimizing the title to be more SEO friendly. So instead of products, you can tell first spirulina or something like that. So it gives Google a little bit more information, which will further improve your SEO. However, the However, the product titles are SEO friendly. The collection page looks really nicely organized. It's a nice layout. Okay, let's have a look at the product page. The product page looks excellent. High quality images, unique product descriptions, which is excellent. Okay, and FAQs as well. Okay, looks good. I would add a little bit more information, such as maybe further images, because it is, by the end of the day, it is product that people will be new to. So they need a little bit more convincing that they know what they're buying. So perhaps videos, even on a product page, videos explain the benefits. Further slideshows explain the benefits, because if someone lands on a product page, they don't have the same information as you had on a home page. So remember to give more details on the product page as to how people can use it, what kind of benefits they can expect from the products. The same as on the homepage, it will further improve your conversion rate. Remember to add more trust signals, such as shipping policy, about us page, and contact us page. They can also help your SEO. They can also help your conversion rate and sales, because those trust signals are really important for your visitors. They want to know who they're buying from. They want to know if they can contact you in case of any trouble. And they want to know, obviously, how much is the shipping, how long is the delivery, whether you ship to their country, and so on. Your essay score is 58 out of 100, which is quite a good score. The meta title is a little bit too long, and it kind of mentions your brand name 3 times. So think about optimizing it a little bit better. You can tell buy fresh spirulina, buy fresh spirulina juices, mousses, and so on. So it gives a little bit um, more details. This listing, this Google snippet is displayed in the search results. So you need to make sure that you stand out with really eye-catching content. A little bit more. You can add a little bit more details to the meta description. The character limit is 165 characters for the meta description, so remember to optimize it to your benefit. Your website loads in under 2 seconds, which is good. There's definitely room for improvement. Majority of the Shopify sites now tend to load in under 1 second, so this is the new norm to aspire to. There's definitely plenty of areas to work on, so think about optimizing the website speed. It will further improve your user experience. It will definitely improve your ranking, because Google is more likely to rank faster websites if your competitors have faster loading websites. This is very easy way to jump to the top pages of Google. So that's definitely area to work on.